Welcome, future investors. Ready to make your money work for you in 2026? Let us dive into the top 3 stock market strategies that will help you invest smartly and build your wealth. First, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across various sectors, like technology and renewable energy, and different asset classes can protect you from market volatility. A diversified portfolio is a resilient portfolio. Second, think long-term. The stock market isn't about getting rich quick. It's about steady growth over time. The power of compounding is your best friend. Be patient and let your investments mature. Finally, do your homework. Before you invest in any company, research its financial health and growth potential. Don't just follow the hype. Informed decisions are the bedrock of successful investing. Diversify, think long-term, and do your research. Follow these tips to navigate the market with confidence.